Hi, Ryan. Happy Tip Tuesday. Let's talk today about the number of persons that are able to go on a home loan. We've been getting a lot of questions regarding this topic based on affordability really still being an issue for a lot of people. So they've decided, hey, I want to go in on a home with another family member, a friend, a couple friends, couple family members. So let's educate our audience today on what, if any, limitations there are on any of the loans.
Yeah. You're right, Dana. It's a common discussion just in real estate all the time is home affordability. Interest rates they are higher, and home prices have gone up as well. So there are a lot of first time home buyers that are starting to be priced out of the market right now. But a solution has been, as you mentioned, to partner with friends or family to buy the home together. Just recently, we closed on a home where three college friends they all graduated and got jobs, and they bought a beautiful four-bedroom home together, just to get into that housing market, start building equity together for a few years, selling it, splitting it up, and then buying something on their own. So it's a great idea and a great tactic just to break into the market. I feel like this trend will continue as well. So we started getting this question: how many people can go on a mortgage loan together? And really, the answer is, that there's no stated limit and financing guidelines. So it really can vary from bank to bank. But on average, we work with a lot of banks, but the max most banks allow is four. Is four. So you could have or you could buy with three friends, and you all could go on the loan together. And this could be single individuals or married couples, four altogether. So, you can really go on and really increasing your purchasing power to get in this market right
Awesome, Ryan. Cool. I
now.
guess I need to find three friends. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
No, it's great. And I think this question is going to continue to pop up more and more. So I'm glad we're covering it today. So if you guys have any questions, you know how to get a hold of us. Happy Tip Tuesday, and we'll see you next week.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.